Once we have finished this thermal analysis, I am going to close this Ansys mechanical. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take this static structural and just drag it and leave it in the solution cell of this steady state thermal analysis system. So what happens, this engineering data, geometry, mesh model, everything will be shared with this particular static structural, and in addition to all of these things, this particular temperatures that are present inside the body will be acting as an input for our structural analysis. And once I have selected that, I am going to double click on the setup of this static structural analysis system, and it is going to open Ansys mechanical. So here, if you can observe in the outline tree, we have two analysis systems instead of one analysis systems. As this is an coupled analysis, we are going to get access to these two systems. Then coming to the structural, I am going to right click, say insert, and I am going to take a fixed boundary condition, and I am going to fix this particular face, and I am going to say apply. And once I have fixed this particular face, if I have any additional structural loads, I can apply those structural loads, or otherwise if I want to find purely the stresses that are only formed due to the temperature variation, I can leave it like this, and I am going to right click, say solve. So now the solution is done. Then I can just right click on the solution branch, say insert, go to deformation, and I can find out the total deformation. And also I am going to right click on the solution branch, go to stresses, and I am going to find out the equivalent stresses. I am going to right click, say evaluate all results, and I can see the total deflection. This deflection is only due to the temperature that is present inside this particular body, and this is the stress which has been purely caused by the temperature that is present inside the body or on the body. See here, the stresses are somewhere around 8.9 E7 pascals. We can change the units from meters to millimeters, so that the units of stress will be in MPa, and the stresses are around 89 MPa. So this is how you can perform thermostructure analysis using Ansys Workbench. In the next lecture, we are going to see how to perform a thermostructural analysis on a bimorph. Thank you.